Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. Today what we're going to do is we are going to unbox few stuffs which I just got in a whim. These are all very useful gadgets for home and for normal computer usage also. So let's dive into it. So the first object which you're going to see is this would be a TP-Link router. So we are going to go ahead and unbox this and check how good it is. So let's start with that. So this is the TP-Link router. Actually, it's just a adapter for TP-Link. It's called TP-Link. Let me keep it straight for you. It's called TP-Link AC600 Nano Wi-Fi Bluetooth 4.2 adapter. So it has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth if you don't have it in your computer, and it has a 3-year warranty also. And this I got from Amazon. I'll be putting the prices later, but let's go ahead and unbox this first. So this I got because this supports the 3 2.4 gigahertz as well as 5 gigahertz. Both it supports, because most of the routers don't do that. And nowadays 5G is must for all the adapters and routers. So this one from my router, which has 5G connection in it, it can pick it up for any room. So that's unboxed. All you have is a CD for installation. You have a pamphlet, and that's the router. That's the adapter. I'm sorry for that. So all you have to do is pull this thing out, and there it is. So you can go ahead and uh, put this in any of your computers, and you'll be able to go ahead and connect to internet, Wi-Fi anywhere. Even though if you have an old laptop or if you have a desktop, this is very useful for you. So nothing much about this product because it's a very small one. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, this is a home product. This is called as a coffee beater. It is a small coffee beater, and this came around. You can see here 499. It's written, but I got it for about 200 bucks on Amazon. There's some offer going on, and it can make all kind of coffees, lattes, everything. It's basically a handheld blender for coffees to make it better, mix better, and everything like that. So let's pull this out. It is a it runs on couple of AA batteries. It's very simple. Just go ahead and press this and it'll start working. There's a press handle over here. Just press this and keep it inside the coffee, and this would spin. It's very simple and you'll be able to do it anytime. And to open this, just open this over like this. I don't know whether these are charged, but let me just try. I hope they're charged. I do have two cells over here. Let me see, because I don't know whether they're charged or not. So just put it in and turn it on like this. That's simple as that. As I told, there are no charges in the battery, so we would go ahead and put some good battery later on, but let me just try this one more time. Yeah, there's no charge in it, so we will do that in some time. So as you can see in that diameter and everything, it's a very small one, and it's a handheld thing which is portable and you can take it anywhere. And for 200 bucks, the make and model also is very sturdy for this. So let's keep this also aside. Our next product, we are going in a fast pace to complete everything as soon as possible. It is a mobile holder, and this is a very convenient one. I'll just show you why. It is a plastic make holder. All you have to do is, it's like a soap box to be exact, to be said. This goes inside the plug point of any of your sockets, and it's connected. Let me try to show you in the main cam. Okay, so let me just try to show you this thing a little bit holder. Pull it up above. So if you can see this, the holder, you can just connect it anywhere you want into a plug point, and you can keep your mobile over here. So you don't have to search for a table or anything to go ahead and keep your stuff over there. So that's another benefit of this. So the products we have covered so far are the blender, this, as well as the TP link. So let's move on to our next product. And this compact and foldable also, as you can see. You can just fix it like this also whenever you want. So let's move to the next product. Okay. This is as simple as it can get. It's a pen. But it's not just a pen. This is 6-in-1 pen. As you can see, there is a ruler on it. There's a gauge over here to check the level. Like you can keep here and see the level gauge, whether it's straight or not. Plus, you have a proper pen over here. Plus, if you just remove this, you have a screwdriver with two bits, flat and star, which you can use whenever you want. Plus, it has a eraser in the behind. You can just screw it in like this. And as you see, this is the pen over here, where you can use it like a normal pen also. So this is one of the good investments which I did, where we can go ahead and take it out anywhere in the pen format with a screwdriver, and every tool you'll have it handy in your hand. So let's go to a closer look of that. So let's keep this cover aside. So this is the guy pen. With the pen side over here and the screwdriver side over here. So let's move to the next product over here. We are doing it in a fast pace because we have some more products to go. So next mini product is this. This is also available for around 200 300 bucks only on Amazon. It's nothing but a packet sealer. That is, after eating your chips or any other packet, you could go ahead and seal it. The packing is awesome for this. As you can see, it is come in a velvet pouch, and that is the sealer. And inside we do have cable also to charge it. It's a type C cable, which is good for us. And once inside this, if you see, there are two pores. One, this is the one which pours it, and this is the one which seals it. So both are very useful, and this is the on button. Once you on it, it will start working, sealing stuff, and it'll get a proper heat over there to go ahead and do that. This for most of the chips lovers like me who can go, and this from Siznik. and it's very cheap price, about 2 to 300 bucks. So let's pack this over and keep it aside. And the next product we are going for, yeah, we did get a lot of products. This handy keyboard and all your electronic cleaner. So if you see, you have the small bit over here for all your small tools with small bristles which are soft. This also can clean your earbuds. So that's an advantage over here. And this one is for the bigger stuff like your keyboard and everything. You can go ahead and clean it. And it just closes up like this, so no pressure is also needed. And it is very soft bristles so that it takes care of your electronics very well. So let's then move to the other product. This one I bought on a whim. There's a 3-in-1 socket which you can use in your home. Like every time when you connect a 3-pin plug, like each doesn't have a single switch for it. And this one you get for about 120 bucks or something, where there are 1, 2, and 3 sockets which can be connected over to the plug point, and each has separate switch for it. So you can use whatever devices you want, and at a time it also has safety in it for your protection, each of the plug points. So next, let's go to the next product. I do know there are a lot of it. Okay, this one is a lint remover by Nova. Nova, you'd have heard about shavers and everything, but this is a lint remover which is kind of good. Where this is about 400 bucks, but because this is a rechargeable one. Let's see how big it is. It is huge, man. It is huge lint remover where it can remove lint from your clothes. Every one of us would have had this problem. It comes with a brush where lint is the only issue which happens whenever we go for the take it and go out wearing a new dress or anything. And people like me who do have a dog, so for them it's a very difficult thing. And this lint remover is very useful. The button of this is over here below the brush, and this is a huge massive one, but it's a compact size where you can put in your bag and take it away. Just the main portion on the front is a little bit huge for the cleaning purposes. And let's see whether it has charge. No, it doesn't have a charge now, so we do have to put it for charge for some time. And this comes with a USB cable. That's the only drawback over here. It comes with a USB cable where we do have to charge it for about a couple of hours before we can go ahead and use it. And it's written over here, it is a lint remover by Nova. The design is good, the model is good, and this works well. So let's go for some few more products, and these are for the people who think like most of the equipments of gym are not available in Amazon, but it is available. So this one is your handy grip, where in case you want to increase your grip strength, you could use this for example for strengthening your forearms and everything. It's very simple. And this one you get for 99 rupees on Amazon. And the spring is over here tightened, and you can use this to go ahead and do your handy grip exercise uh, for your forearms. And the string has a very good suspension, as you can see. And this model also looks really good. So this is one of the other things. And you do can tighten the spring over here in the front if you want more grip power over there. And the final is a big one where, and I got it for 198 or something. So this is just for the deal offer. This I got for one of my friends. It's called a body band dual wheel ab roller. So let's open this up. So this is the ab roller. That's how it's supposed to look. So it comes with a proper roller pin. We do have to assemble it. It has a proper mat to be put down for your knees. And the last one part over here is nothing but the wheel. Let's see. And the caps is the wheel, and the caps for the wheel. It's as simple as it goes. So what we have to do first we do have to remove this, or you can just remove one side. It'll be more than enough for you to fix this. Then we just have to insert this inside one part. I will just extend the camera coverage. Just give me a minute. Okay, the other part is fixed over here now. So after that, we put this band over here again, and you can go ahead and push it a little bit this side to have an equal footing for both. So this is covered, and now we'll cover this side also. And this one, after this is getting fixed nicely, we'll push it a little bit more. Now we have come to the conclusion of it, of fixing the side bands, these ones. And there you go, you have your ab roller ready. Whoever wants to do any exercise, just tighten it a little bit more so you can have a proper ab roller exerciser. And it's for 198 only, and it can take your body weight, trust me on that. So these are some of the things which we got on Amazon. Okay guys, so these were some of the things which we got on Amazon, and it's very inexpensive. Please leave your likes and comments in the video, and if you do want the links for this products whichever you saw, please comment down and I would go ahead and respond to that with a link of the product, so you can also go ahead and take the benefit of it. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe for the channel, it helps a lot. This is Kamal and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you do have a wonderful day ahead.